Hey guys, it's me, Kim Marion, here in Rhode Island. I am welcoming you to my new 4-part series. It is a coastal cottage reboot. You get to watch this adorable house from its beginning all through renovation until the day I put it on the market, and the location is top secret. But come on in, check it out. Where did the stone granite for the fireplace come from?
So this is all from the beautiful coastline of Rhode Island.
Amazing.
Right?
That was such a great idea.
And we just really wanted to incorporate some of the elements because it's the most beautiful coastline in the eastern seaboard, and we really wanted to incorporate that into our home.
So talk to me about what is close by that you love. I'm hinting at the beach because I know the beach is close by.
It is. The beach is very close by, which we are there all the time. So we go to Weekapaug, so we can either go to Weekapaug, Mesquamaget, or beautiful Watch Hill. And so we're always there. And the restaurants around here, there's so much to do around here.
There's music.
There's music, and there's bike riding, there's running, and there's just so much to do out here, and it's such a great place.
So Tina, the house is amazing.
Thank you.
I have enjoyed talking with you so much.
Thank you.
Where are you going? I know you love this house so much. You put so much of yourself into it. Where are you going?
Well, we're not going too far. We're going to Narragansett.
Okay.
And it was a hard decision to leave this, but we've spent many years here, and we decided that it was time for our next endeavor and opportunity.
So you're building another?
We're building. This time we're not renovating, we're building.
Okay.
So we'll see how that goes.
Very
but
exciting.
It's exciting.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Hey guys, it's me, Kim Marion from Engel and Volkers here in Rhode Island. If you're looking for an amazing little cottage close to the beach, jump on your bike, take a spin, and you're in the ocean waves, this place in Westerly, Rhode Island could be just the place for you. Give me a call. I would love to give you a tour. Bye.